Alright guys, got the trailer hooked up. I'm gonna go pick up some 450s and a couple other quads. A couple Hondas, a couple Yamahas, a little mash them up. So, let's go see what we get. Get up in there. Oh, appreciate it, man. Got them all loaded up. Good deal. Here y'all go. 08 TRX 90 just in time for Christmas. 07 TRX 450. 04 YFZ. Some old Crafter 350 somebody customized. Ooh, stopping at the Olive Garden. Wife put us in order. 08 TRX 90. 07 TRX 450 ER. Or R. This ain't a kicker. Okay, good. It says ER here, but R on the plastics. YFZ 450. This Raptor's supposed to run. I ain't really into it so much, I'm gonna let it go cheap, but I grabbed this 450 for what I believe is a leisure front end, or Lager, however you say it. Like +3 or something, and they're arched with the Fox floats. So I'm gonna have these be rebuilt. I think I'm gonna be able to make those work on the 88 TRX I've got. Really upgrade that front suspension. So we got the carb gone through on this little bad boy. About to get some fresh gas in her. Get it a power wash. This thing fired up with the jump and a little gum out. We're gonna pull the tank and the carb on it, and we're gonna test start this puppy. As soon as my battery charger's done charging this, we'll get it on this Yamaha. And then this thing, I'm gonna call Ronald McDonald and ask him if he's missing his quad. All right, so what we usually do on this, just to make it easier, is undo all this. We cut this, saws all that.
Yeah, get the saws off.
Get the saws out. So we can leave the front fenders, but we gotta disconnect the tank from them. And then pull the tank out. Hopefully we'll have enough room. That's usually the quickest way. Oh, green. Baja Blast. Damn, dude, that's like the watermelon Gatorade. Sour apple.
Yeah.
Well, guys, this is the nice thing. Nobody's been into it. Nobody's been into it. I'll take it. That's better for me in my situation when nobody's been all up in there. For those of you guys blipping your throttle when you kick it, when you're starting it, something's wrong. Something's wrong with your bike.
Halfway, and then we got 2 different bolts.
Oh yeah, 10-8. 10-8. Bucks lit on. We got fuel flowing. No choke. Start it up. Try choking it for me. We'll let it run a minute. Quiet with that muffler on.
Oh, right?
I don't think I've ever heard one that. We'll get rid of this. That way it really, when we decelerate, pop, 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 pop. That way you get it on pop, 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 pop. Yeah. Faster than that too.
Yeah.
Dunsky. The bars are a little bent, I think. On that side, right?
It's only been ripped a few times.
Hey, you can't prove that. That was from strapping it down in the truck, to be fair. No. There she is. Oh, yeah. Nice. My battery for the TRX 450. This baby runs now. Might have to choke it to start it. Huh, guess it wants to be choked. At first, now it don't want to be choked. You know what? Nobody looked. Runneth pretty good. Little lean. Purple Ronald McDonald. I want to crack that float bowl. Just crack that float bowl. It's probably not getting fuel in here. You got the switch on? Don't say that, don't say that. Ryan just pulls this out of his pocket for every job. He's like, it's cold out, you can warm up your pliers. Oh yeah. Just all the paint drips off the engine as soon as the gas starts flowing. I wonder if it's coming through the hose. That cock could be, probably has some paint in it.
Yeah. Cheap hose. Put it on and let them off.
Probably.
Oh, okay.
Alright, getting up. So basically what I'm doing here. So yelling at the fucking thing. Can't hear skit. Well, the cam looks good, so I don't see any grooves on it really. We also might want to check that decompression mechanism. There's only 2 valves, bro. Or am I tripping?
No, it's 4.
Oh no, there's 2. So 2 exhaust valves, old style. Damn, that's crazy.
Honda's special can they got.
Yeah, garbage can with the M. So we got it on top dead center. This thing's been hard to start and not wanting to. It'll idle, but if you give it any throttle, it wanted to die. We've got a super, I guess it would be a tight exhaust valve with the measurement bigger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, not a loose one. It's too tight.
I got open.
So it's not probably not even pushing her down. It does like this. The valve does like this, and the woman has a socket. Have you seen that shit? Oh my god. Yeah. So we found out that we pulled the carburetor off. What you're saying to yourself? You said, "Self, I just cleaned the carburetor. Can't be the carburetor." Well, if we don't get the tank clean enough, it'd be the carburetor before you know it. And there's a bunch of stuff come out of here. And you know what? Plays mess up. Pimps mess up.
Yeah. Shit happens.
Yeah. So there you go. Go figure. The tank's contaminated. We're also going to put Supreme in it per Honda's recommendation, just because, you know what, man? I don't want to hear no excuses about this Yamaha clapping this thing up here in a minute. All right, so we're getting her back together. We're going to adjust the chain, lube it up. Then we're going to go have a little dust up with this Yamaha and see what happens. See what happens if you try and hit me, Napoleon. All right, you got the fuel on? Oh, different clamp. We're about to see. Hopefully the valve adjustment, but more importantly, the carburetor was filthy again. There was some stuff in this tank. She's still leaking?
Yeah.
Really? What was it? Just different line?
Needle stick.
So it was about that time I realized that carb was leaking because the float was stuck. So I picked this sucker up, dropped it a couple times, solved the issue. But you're saying you just cleaned the carburetor. Yeah, well, you turned it upside down and the float got put upside down. So then, what shims do we use? These bad boys on the valves. 2 of the exhaust valves were tight, and we got that taken care of. You mind pulling it up like that, Doug? Oh shit, she done. It's quiet, bro. So the TRX showed up late for the race too, man. Dang, 450 and 450. 04 and 07, the Honda should win.
Right.
We'll see what happens. Sure is quiet. Brand new battery in that TRX, dudes. Stupid. Weak. Shit's weak. Oh, I got it. Even better. You ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah?
Hell yeah, dude. I'm just fucking wheeling the whole time.
Did you go in second?
I'm third.
You took off in third?
No, I took off in third.
Do second.
Every time I switch, bro.
Do second. You count. You gotta commit, bro. I'm in second. Which one do you think's faster?
Dude, probably mine.
Right? Tries to come out from under you more?
Yeah, dude.
Like tries to launch out from under you.
I mean, the TRX is pretty crazy, too.
Yeah, just a little couple ticks. That one's still new. You got to work out all the ticks.
Hell yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Like riding a bull or something.
Yeah, I know. Just work the ticks out on them. They rotated the tires so the lines would be in the outside, so they're new. That's weird. It's got one here and then one over there because this one's on backwards.
Yeah.
You notice that it needs to be turned around, I think. It's telling you. Just leave the Yamaha alone, man. Don't even do me like that no more.
Can't compete.
Yeah, that thing's pretty fast, bro. Gets traction, too. That ain't like for doing donuts or nothing. Oh, yeah. Damn, it's all that good grip left on the stock tires. So, we re-grooved them. Which one feels more comfortable? Other than it being like a... Other than it feeling rabid.
Crazy shit right here.
Oh, yeah. Sliding back on the seat the whole time.
Yeah. I mean, they're both pretty comfy. That one's a little lower.
Yeah, rides a little better.
Oh, yeah.
Feels a little safer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Besides for the exhaust.
Burning your leg.
Dude, I can feel the heat.
He's just got that leg cocked out. Dang. 04 YFZ and 07 450R. Yeah, it's a lot different than a Raptor, huh?
Hell yeah.
The Raptor's like, fart, fart.
Yeah.
And then this one's like, just, tries to come out from under you. Yeah. Tries to shoot out from under me a lot, dude.
I know.
It's pretty sick.
It like burns out and then fucking grips.
Then you got to shift, bro. You got to shift before it can grip. That one, you were ahead of me on that last race, and I just shifted it no clutch to third in it and
took off.
Caught up, bro. Then you kind of went around the pole a little bit.
It's just not like a dirt bike.
Oh, nah. No, there's two. It'll get knocked in all kinds of different directions.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, unless you're on blacktop, which a lot of these riders are nowadays. You know, they're blacktop guys.
Yeah.
They ride on the blacktop. Front tires never even seen the pavement, just the back ones. This was, right?
Yeah.
You were saying you'd rather have one of these?
Yeah.
They just look better too. I mean, there's no doubt about that.
Yeah.
The Yamahas just look better than the Honda. These look like kind of toys, like, you know, like kind of like a Chinese kid's ATV is how they kind of look.
Yeah.
And then the Yamahas, they got these sweet, sexy lines and
yeah, nice curves.
yeah, a bunch of nice curves on it and way more horsepower, way more power.
Oh yeah.
Way more power.
Yeah.
Wait for the Honda guys to stay. Dude, this not fair. It had a mega bomb on it, and the Honda was stock, keeping up.
I gave it so much.
Yeah. Honda was stock. Oh my goodness, that thing freaking rips, dude.
Oh yeah, that's going right.
I can say that's so much easier to hang on to.
Like this thing, you kind of get nervous.
Yeah, it's like pulling out. Whoa, easy now. Take it easy.
My legs can't get close to it.
Yeah, well, Ryan can't squeeze with his legs. They'll have to cook one of them. Show them how you were riding it. Get on it. I don't know if they could see it in the video.
Oh, yeah.
But every time we got over here, he got his leg like pointed out. It was even further than that. You had your leg like way out a minute ago.
Dude, like it's all red still.
Oh yeah. Mine's a little toasty.
Yeah.
They just cooked the hair off of theirs all. Curl them up.
It's a little cooking.
I wish all you guys a happy Veterans Day. Hope you have a good weekend. Lots more videos coming. Get up in there. If you're interested in these two quads, they're both for sale. Check it out. Both the TRX and the YFZ for sale. $3,500, $4,250 cash. Both have California titles in hand. And I'm firm on both those numbers. So if you're interested, hit me up before they're gone. Well, I appreciate you guys watching the video. Lots more coming. 450s are fun. I got another one right here. I like the Yamahas better, so deal with it. I know you Honda people ain't gonna want to hear that. This is how much I care. Look how much I care. Look. Yamahas are better. Take it or leave it. Take it, accept it, or get rocks thrown in your face by the Yamaha's back tires. It's pretty much all the options you got. So you might as well just, I'll tell you what, stand and you bow. And then that's it. More videos coming up. Old Whip Tecate 4. Starting to reassemble this Tri-Z right here. Got the motor rebuilt on it. And just some four-wheel drive quads coming up. A couple other old school quads. A kids quad video that's going to be a lot of fun. Lots more on the channel, guys.